Welcome to lesson 119, multiply polynomials. There are 5 previous lessons dealing with adding and subtracting and naming polynomials before this one. And there will be, I don't know where we are, 14 or 15 more after this one. So please, once you start polynomials, try to watch all of the videos in this series. So here we go, let's go. Here's our objective, our vocabulary, how to identify monomials and their degree, how to identify polynomials, how to name polynomials. And so let's get in our first example. So now, multiplying comes back to our exponent laws. I dealt with exponent laws way back in numbers and operations, somewhere in the 80s or the 90s. So please go watch those videos to get yourself caught up. So what I do want to highlight is that if there's no exponent listed on a thing, it's to the first power. And so when we multiply exponents, the coefficient changes just like with adding and subtracting, but the power also changes. When we multiply the same base, you add the exponents, and that's one of the exponent laws. So same thing here. 2 times 3 is 6. y1 plus 4 is y to the 5th. Okay, so now when dividing, it's the same operation. 12 divided by 4 is 3. When you divide, you subtract the exponent. So 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's x to the first. 8 divided by 2 is 4. X to the fourth divided by x1 is x cubed. And those were our 2 examples. Please work on the practice problems, and I will see you at the end of the video for a short recap. Okay, 6x times 6 times 3 is 18. X times x is x squared. Negative m times m to the 5th is negative m to the 6th. Pretend that's negative 1, pretend that's positive 1. And you can see negative 1 times 1 is 1. So do your coefficients, the numbers in front of the letters, the numbers in front of the variables. Do your coefficients first, and then worry about your letters. Okay, so now 12 times 2 is negative 24. C There's no other c, so it's just all multiplied together, and d cubed. Whenever letters are multiplied to each other, they're just multiplied. You don't change the powers. You only change the power when it's the same letter. So 7 goes out front, a to the 5th, and b to the 5th, because the a is to the first power. Okay, 59 divided by 59 is 1. R squared divided by r is just r. Or you can write 1r. Doesn't make a difference. 100 divided by 10 is 10. P cubed. And those were our two problems. That's the end of this video. It was a short video, but you will see more multiplying and dividing polynomial lessons coming up.